Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
All right, our wintry weather is about to become a lot more wintry as we've enjoyed temperatures in the 20s to near 30 today. In fact, we're still in that temperature range here at 27 in Fargo. Go just north of Winnipeg, north of Lake Winnipeg. We're seeing some temperatures that are ridiculously cold. That's heading our way. In the meantime, we're going to have some nasty morning commute conditions. Snow is already beginning, and overnight that will continue, but the wind picks up between 2 a.m. and daybreak, causing gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour, blowing and drifting snow. Not a lot of snow, 1 to 4 inches as a rule. And that's going to blow all over the place, making it hard to see. The one thing we will all contend with is brutal temperature falls throughout the day. That air's going to first hit the northern valley and then throughout the day work its way southward, causing dangerous wind chills late in the day. Here's the snow near Lake Winnipeg and south into the northern Red River Valley. We do have some snow showers out and around the capital city area. As we take a look at your current conditions at Hector, 27 degrees. Wind from the south. It's blowing at 13 miles per hour. Everybody still in the 25 to 31 degree range. 31 in Jamestown. Get out and walk the dog and do the same thing in Sisseton. We have beautiful conditions now. Things will get a little less beautiful as we go through the overnight. Here's how south winds continue. Snow band moves down. As we start the 3 a.m. hour, it will be pushing through Fargo-Moorhead, and it'll be ending up north. So your snowfall up north will be done before daybreak, and temperatures will already be below zero there while we're still in that 25 to 30 degree range down south. What a temperature spread, and it only gets worse. Now, notice the strongest winds are where the arrows are more colorful. So we go through the mid-morning hours. The gusty winds will work their way from the northern valley to the southern valley, gusts over 50 miles per hour. And the snow will begin blowing and drifting around, causing reduced visibilities. Even after the snowfall stops, we think what's going to be left on the ground will blow around throughout the day, causing difficult travel conditions. So by daybreak, it does look like the snow will be pushing out of the valley, and by late morning, it's out of here altogether with clearing skies. But the wind's still blowing in the midday hour with gusts over 40 miles per hour. Again, it's going to be difficult travel at this point, even though inside the city limits, the visibility may be pretty good. Out in rural areas, it may not be. Everyone will see temperatures falling throughout the day, and in the late afternoon and evening hours will be in the teens to 20s below, 20 to 35 below across the valley for your Thursday morning. Here is a look. Less snow up north, but down to the south, an inch or two, isolated, could see 2 or 3 inches of snow. Hard to measure. It'll be blowing to South Dakota throughout the day with those gusty north winds. So the best chance at snow in Fargo first thing in the morning. There will be a lot of wind with it. It'll be near zero visibilities. The rough and tumble travel conditions continue as temperatures continue to plummet down below zero through the midday hours and the afternoon. By the evening, it's going to be dangerously cold outside. These are air temperatures, not wind chills. Wind chills will be between 35 and 55 below. As we go through the overnight hours, exposed skin can freeze in 5 to 10 minutes. You do not want to be caught outside in that. So tomorrow afternoon, the coldest air will be in the northern valley, teens below there, single digits below down to the south with brutal wind chills all afternoon and evening long. There was the full moon this weekend, Jane capturing that. Thanks for uploading your photo. Now, it does get better after a brutal Thursday morning, 24 below in the FM area. Wind chills in the morning will be 50 below or better in places. Absolutely brutal. Then as we go through the day, we start a warming trend. We'll stay below zero in most locations on Thursday. But after a chilly morning on Valentine's Day, things are looking up and up. So your box of chocolates will not melt outside with a temperature of 11, but at least it won't be 30 below. And it gets even better as we go through the weekend with some 20s returning. So a short-lived slap in the face. We'll keep you updated here. It's going to have impacts first thing in the morning throughout the midday hours, and then the cold lasts into Thursday.
If you get a box of chocolates, right?
Right. Or a necktie.
Yeah, there you go. Or socks.
Right.